Doogee, one of the world's leading brands when it comes to indestructible, rugged smartphones, releasing their new S89 Pro at 22nd of August 2022, which is exactly a month after release of S61 and S61 Pro.
Hi everyone, my name is Adam and you're watching Family Pop TV YouTube channel.
To the point, S89 Pro has a 6.3-inch display with a full HD resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels in 21:9 aspect ratio and 600 nits of peak brightness. The smartphone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P90 octa-core processor manufactured using a 12nm process technology with two ARM Cortex-A75 cores with peak speeds of 2.2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked with 2 GHz. All this paired with PowerVR GM9446 graphic processing unit. The S89 Pro has 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and as much as 256GB of storage on board, which is expandable with the external micro SD card with another 512GB. The phone also supports 2 nano SIM cards. The phone also has a side fingerprint recognition button as well as NFC feature, which means you can use Google Pay services. The S89 Pro is having a massive 12,000 mAh battery under the hood, which should satisfy everyone considering it supports 65W ultra-fast charging and also supports wireless charging. That massive 12,000 mAh battery can be charged from 0 to 100% in only 2 hours using the ultra-fast charging. I like it. And how long it's gonna last you on one charge? This is something I will show you soon in one of my future videos where I'll do the battery drain test of the S89 Pro, so stay tuned. The construction of the S89 Pro is a tough, water-resistant, military standard 810H body which is built on a metal frame with reinforced edges. Doogee brings the rugged standards to the whole new level with this one. The phone also has a replaceable back panel which gives some degree of customization and the back glowing notification lights. This is probably the coolest feature I ever seen in the phone. This looks like an angry eye switch having a customizable light and the color patterns. I absolutely love it. The S89 Pro has a crazy 64MP main primary camera with f1.8 aperture. There's also a 20MP Sony IMX350 enhanced night vision camera, an 8MP wide angle and macro camera with 130-degree field of view, which is basically the same as with the GoPro camera. At the front we can find a 16MP front-facing Samsung camera with ISOCELL technology. As being mentioned at the beginning of the video, the S89 Pro is going to be on sale from 22nd of August 2022 and Doogee, as usual, will throw a special discounted introductory price for the first couple of days. So grab the deal, there are links in the video description and the phone will be available on AliExpress first. You can also find more info about the phone on Doogee Mall, the link is also in the video description.
Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video and found it pretty informative and useful. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss when the next video comes out. I shall see you next week. That was Adam and you watched Family Pop TV on YouTube.